Hello class, welcome to week 3. This week our two topics are brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers, and affiliate and drop shipping. You'll have an assignment and a discussion board on each of those, and then a weekly reflection. So a fairly straightforward week. I hope you are working on project 1. Again, that's not one you'll want to delay for too long. Let's start with our opening assignment, brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers. There's a couple key points on this that I want to draw your attention to. One, you will have another case study that you'll go through, and you will continue on with your with the case study you did last week, and so it's just going deeper into their decision making, and you'll put yourself in their shoes. The key here is in this assignment is to create a quantify and compare spreadsheet in Excel. This is going to be a weighted criteria analysis, and it's something we will use many times throughout the course. Because it is so important, there's a video here that explains how to do the quantify and compare assignment. If you click on this link here, it will take you to this page that teaches you how to quantify and compare. I will let the video do most of the explanation, but I wanted to show you the idea of this is to give you a weighted decision matrix like this down here. This right here is your final product. And the idea here is you've got 3 alternatives. This is a company making a decision on a restaurant they want to open. And you've got a barbecue place, a salad, and a burger place. And then, so you're saying those are our 3 options. Here are the things that matter to people when they choose a restaurant. How good it tastes, the promptness of the food, and how much it costs. And then what really makes this a dynamic analysis is you're saying, you know what? People care about taste, right? We'll put a weight of 25% out of 100 on taste. And people care how fast they get their food. We're going to put 25% on that. But we think what they really care about is the cost of the food. We're going to put 50% of the weight on that. And then what it will do is pull out a weighted total, meaning these numbers for the price of the food are going to be a little bit more important because they have 50% of the decision weight on there. And then it will bring out a rank. And so in the restaurant decision, the American Burger wins. And you'll notice even though it is lowest on taste value, it's highest on price, which has the highest weight and also happens to be highest on promptness. So it clearly won this analysis. This is what that looks like in Excel. Again, if you have not used Excel, this video is meant to walk you through that step by step. And you will apply this to the case study. So you'll choose 3 alternatives, and then you'll choose 3 criterion to weight. And we will be doing many quantify and compare spreadsheets throughout the course. It's a key skill set we teach in the course. It's very valuable not only for this class but for others in the future. So take your time with the quantify and compare spreadsheet. Reach out to me if you're struggling, but that's something we will do multiple times throughout the course, so I want to make sure you're comfortable with it. Discussion board, that'll follow the same format as last week. I hope you're getting into the groove a little bit with those. Again, same instructions each week. That initial post will be due early in the week. By midweek, you'll need a reply to at least 2 of your classmates. Let's go to affiliate and drop shipping. These are 2 of the more specific and common business models. For this, you will write a 1-page analysis essay, and then you will also do a quantify and compare spreadsheet. So you'll do a quantify and compare spreadsheet for each assignment this week. These articles are extremely helpful. I'm going to explain briefly affiliate marketing and drop shipping, but these will give you a little bit more detail. and then you'll go through the case and assess it as you have a few times before already. Affiliate marketing is again a very common online business model, and what it is essentially a marketing wing for a company. You'd create your own company, and then you'd reach out to a company that manufactures a product, let's say t-shirts, and you'd say, hey, I would like to affiliate with you, and I own this affiliate marketing business, and I'd like to sell your product. And so you form an agreement, and what you will do is you create your website, and you will highlight their products on your website. And when visitors to your website click on those products, it takes them to the manufacturer's website to purchase the product. And the manufacturer will have a code built in so that they know when that happens, they will give you a credit, a commission for that sale. So as your visitors purchase product, excuse me, from the manufacturer's site, you earn money on those sales because you brought those customers to their website. Drop shipping is very similar. You'd form a drop shipping agreement and highlight their product on your website. The difference is the customer will complete the purchase on your website. And when that happens, you will send an automatic order to the manufacturer to ship the product to the customer. But the customer in a drop shipping model believes, it essentially feels like you are the manufacturer, or you own the product, and it feels much more that they have a devotion, a dedication to your company, because they're actually purchasing the product on your website. It also means you are responsible for the customer service. Some of the pros and cons: affiliate marketing is a great sort of set it up and not set it up and forget about it, because you're still responsible for driving the volume of customers to your website. But the manufacturing company takes care of the customer service, they take care of the shipping, all of that. The drop shipping, you have to take over the customer service aspect of it, because they'll usually reach out to you to say, hey, my product didn't arrive, and then you've got to work with the manufacturing company. But you typically have a bit more control over the price for drop shipping. So if you want to take the product and highlight it as a premium product and bump up the price a bit, you can do that and earn a little bit more money drop shipping. But you own the customer service aspect. Affiliate marketing, you don't get to choose what you sell it for. That's the manufacturer, because they'll buy it on their website and they'll give you a commission. So there's pros and cons to each. That's just a brief overview. Again, you'll want to make sure you go in depth with this and really read up on affiliate and drop shipping before you do your one-page essay and your quantify and compare. So that will be about it. You will have the reflection and discussion board, and that'll be it for the week. So again, more of a standard week this week with 2 topics and assignments, discussion boards, and reflection. Please reach out if you've got specific questions about brokers, manufacturers, wholesalers, about affiliate and drop shipping. I'm happy to go into more detail with you one-on-one.